This is an indri, one of the largest lemurs in the world. I bet you can't guess what sound it makes. Is it? Got your answer? You just heard from the only lemurs that sing. Sure, other lemurs have calls, but indri are the only ones with rhythm. This is... They said what? A game where you guess the sounds these animals are making. Next round. This majestic elk is about to put on a show, and the sound it makes might surprise you. Is it? Moment of truth. That was a bugle call. Male elk use it to attract females and defend their territory against rivals. And trust me, they can hear it because bugle calls are loud. Next round. Here is a male lyrebird, and he's about to make a sound you wouldn't expect. Is it? The answer is... Lyrebirds are masters of mimicry. They copy what they hear. And I'm not just talking nature sounds. Lyrebirds have been heard imitating fire alarms, cameras, and even crying babies. Break time. Grab some water, take a rest. And if you love animals, get the Earth Rangers app to find out how you can help protect them. Now back to the game. Next round. Here's one of the forest's best builders, the beaver. But do you know what sound it's about to make? Is it? Tricky! It's... Beavers don't just chew for fun. Gnawing wood keeps their teeth short and sharp. Plus, all those branches are great for building beaver dams and lodges. Next round. Here comes a whooping crane. What is it going to sound like? Is it? It's... That powerful call helps whooping cranes communicate with each other across huge distances. They use it for things like finding each other and keeping other birds away. Next round. Think you know what a canyon tree frog is going to sound like? Is it? Here's the answer. They might be called tree frogs, but no one told them that. They prefer hanging out on rocks near water, where they use these calls to attract females. Game over. So how'd you do? Lyrebirds are like choo choo